Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to talk about how to download the Cami app to complete your digital packets. So Cami was started in 2013, I believe, and what used to be called Notable PDF. It's now one of the leading apps out there for annotating PDFs in the educational system. So if we open up and start with finding Google extensions, so I go to Google and I type in Cami Google extension, and you're going to get the permissions to, it's like the first link here, to open up the Cami extension and add it to Google. So you want to make sure that you add the extension and give it permissions and rights. And make sure that you have added those rights for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works with our packets from the school for our math packets. So I'm going to go to our Colleton County or CCMS website and go to the link that is provided in there for our packets. Look at the April 7th grade math packet. I'm going to download that, or I'm going to open that with Cami. So now that I have added the extension into my Google account, with what I just did by clicking on that button, I'm now going to have a little button here at the top that says different apps that I can use to open this particular PDF. I've used Lemon PDF before, but I really like the way that Cami works and interfaces with Google Classroom and how friendly it is, especially if you're familiar with the Google Suites. So if your Google Chrome is already down or connected into your account, you're not going to have to log in or anything. So you're just going to log in with Google if it's not. So once you've opened it with Cami, the whole document is nice and neat and opened up for us. So it's going to work very similar to Google Docs. And if we look at this particular problem, which if you've seen my previous videos on the rounding assignment, you should know that the 8 causes the 41 to become 42. So you can use your different tools here. You have highlighters, you can underline, you can scratch through. It's great if you're a teacher to be able to use these tools to annotate your student work. You will have to create your own copy in your Google Drive. It's going to create a folder in your Drive when you give it permissions to link with your Drive, and give it all of its rights here and allow it. It's actually going to go ahead and create a folder for you in your Drive. So now I'm going to use the text box feature here to click and put the answer 42 in the box. And then I want to move it, make it line up really easy. And then I want to change it to a different color. I'm going to make it blue so that my teacher will now know that this is my work. It's just easier to see than the black or the gray. So now the 42 is there for me. Once you've completed the entire document, you can then click share and click upload. And that will be very, very important as that will create the document for your teacher to look at later once you've finished. I hope you find this useful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's say that you have accidentally clicked out of your activity, or you want to go back into it the next day and you don't know where to find it. So if we are using Cami, we and we put in Cami all the rights and uploaded the document like we did in our last video portion of the video, then we can click down here into our Drive just by going to drive.google, and if you're logged into your account, Cami will have created a folder called Cami Uploads for you. And in this document now, you're going to open it just like we did before. Click Open with Cami. And you're going to find that all of your work has been saved. And so my annotated 42 is still there. So let's say when I'm finished with the document and I'm ready to turn it into my teacher, how could I turn it into my teacher in a super easy way? So I'm going to click the share button. We're going to talk about two features that they have on here. One is link sharing on. So If for some reason you are sharing with someone else other than your teacher and you want to make sure that they can't erase your work, then you would want to turn this off. This would prevent the person from being able to write on the document. But if you're sharing with your teacher, you're going to want to leave that on so that your teacher can respond back to you. And then this portion right here is the really crucial part. If for some reason you were to turn this portion off, then your teacher is not going to be able to see your work. You're going to be basically turning in a blank document. So in order to do this, all you have to do is click the copy button. Once it's copied, then you can go directly into your Echo or your Classroom account and put that right on in, hit the Control V or paste it right on into the assignment that you're turning this document in. So there's no need to use cameras. There's no need to create folders or anything else. Once you have it live, and it is completely ready for your teacher to open. And the teacher can either have Cami or doesn't actually have to have Cami if you wanted to. So that's how you use Cami to do your work and turn it back in. I hope you find this helpful, and I can't wait to see you again in my next video.